Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix MultiVersus connection lost. You have lost connection to the internet. Try checking the networking settings. So if you're getting the same message while starting your game, follow all the steps that I'm going to explain in this video to make sure you do not skip any part and apply all the solution one by one, and also let me know which one worked for you in the comment section. The first thing that you need to do is you need to run the SFC scan, which is very important. If there would be any integrity violation, any corrupted file, it will automatically fix it. On your Windows 10 or Windows 11, just click on the search box and type CMD and choose Run as Administrator. The black window will be coming up. The first command that you need to type here will be SFC /scan now. Hit enter. Now this command will take some time because this will be verifying and scanning all the system files. So what you can do, you can just minimize it until it's been 100% completed, and then we can move with the next solution. In the next solution, we need to flush the DNS and also reset the WinSock. So if there is any problem with the DNS or related issues, then that will be resolved by doing this step. Again, in the search box, type CMD and choose Run as Administrator. The black window will be coming up. The first command that you need to type here will be ipconfig /flush DNS. Hit enter. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now another command will be netsh winsock reset. Okay, now it says successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So we won't be restarting right now. We will be completing all the steps and then finally we will make a restart. All right, so close everything and let's go back and check if, okay, you can see that the SFC scan that we ran has been completed, and it says Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violation. So in my case, I have no problem, but probably on your case, on your end, there can be some integrity violation, and if there are any, that will be automatically fixed. And even you may get few suggestions, so you need to follow that accordingly. Once done, close it. And now in the next step, we need to change the DNS server address. And before that, we need to also check that what kind of internet connection you are getting, what kind of speed you are getting, what kind of ping you are getting. So it's very important for you. This error can also be because of the fluctuating internet connection, poor internet connection. So simply visit to our website, that is speedtest.net. Once you come here, click on go. And this will start checking your downloading and uploading speed. So right now you can see I'm getting the stable connection speed of around 50 Mbps. The ping is 12, that is good. And there is no fluctuation, the connection is stable. So I am good with my internet connection, but if you run the test and find slow internet speed or very high ping that is above 50 or 100, and even if it is fluctuating, then in that case try restarting your modem and try to connect with the LAN cable. And even if that doesn't work, try to speak to your internet service provider. Let them know that you have the problem with your internet connection. Once done, you can close it. Now on the search box, again type ncpa.cpl and you will be getting view network connection from the suggestion. Click on it. And here you will see that all kind of internet adapters. So if you are connected with Wi-Fi, then you have to come to Wi-Fi. I'm connected with Ethernet. So I will make a right click on it and choose properties, and then internet properties will be up. Here I have to double click on internet protocol version 4, just double click on it, and by default on your end it should be set to obtain DNS server address automatically. What you need to do, you need to check the second option, use the following DNS server address, and in the preferred DNS server address we will be typing Google DNS, which will be giving you the better performance. So it will be 8888 and in the alternate it will be 8, 8, 4 and 4. Once done, click OK, then OK again. Now after applying all these settings, make a restart and check if the problem is fixed. And still, in case if you have the trouble, if you're getting the same message, then open your Steam. From the library, from the left hand menu, look for MultiVersus. I don't have right now, but just make a right click on it, choose properties, then you will be getting local file from the left hand side. Click on it, and then you will be getting verify integrity of game file. Just click on it and wait until it's been 100% completed. All right, it says all 565 files successfully validated. So this can be because of the files are not validated and it's giving you the error on your game. You have to do this. Even you can check for update. If there are any update, try updating your game. And after that, you can check again if this fixes the problem. And still, if you have the issues, the another thing that you can do is updating your Windows and the network adapter. So close everything. On your Windows search, type update. From the suggestion, click on check for updates. Again, it will be giving you a box, check for updates. Click on it. And if there would be any update, it will automatically update it. Or else it will give you a message that there are no updates available. So, and you can see that it's installing now. I have the update and right now it's installing. So let it get installed. And to update your network adapter, you will see the Windows icon. Just make a right click on it and choose Device Manager. Device Manager will be coming up. Here you have to look for network adapters. Just double click on it. And then you need to update your Wi-Fi and even the Ethernet drivers. So on the top, I have this one, Intel R Wi-Fi 6 160mHz. So I will just right click on it and choose update driver, then search automatically for drivers. So if there are any updates available, it will automatically install. But in case if you already have the updated, it will give you this message. Once done, you can do the same with the other. If you have any Ethernet one, like I have this Realtek PCI GBE family controller. I will also update it. And once done, close it. Now finally make a restart, and I'm pretty sure that your problem will be fixed. And in case if you have the issues, then you have to go ahead and reinstall your MultiVersus game. So hopefully this complete list of solutions will be helping you and help you to resolve the problem. And do not forget to let me know that which method worked for you. And still, if you have the issues, also let me know in the comment section. And in case if this worked for you, then please make sure that you like and subscribe to the video. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.